Hey y'all, it's your girl Zaya and we're back with another freaking video. So if you don't know me, if you're new, my name is Zaya and I just started my YouTube channel. So hey girl. So today we're gonna be doing a day in the life for me, and basically we're gonna finish up Christmas shopping and I have to get my car fixed and do a bunch of stuff. So y'all gonna come along with me while I do all this. But first, right now, we're finna get ready. I gotta wash my face, brush my teeth, shower, and all that. So yeah, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, and we're gonna be back. So I don't know about y'all, but when I'm getting ready, when I'm getting clothes, I like pick my pants first, then I pick my shirts, then I kind of do the shirt and like the jacket and the coat and stuff at the same time, and then I do the shoes. So yeah, let's see what we can find. I don't know, and it's cold outside. It's like 30 degrees outside, so I don't know how. Jogging pants, cause it's cold. Like, should we do jogging pants? If we do these jogging pants, hold on. Okay, so I got this sweatshirt. And I was gonna pair it with this this green vest. Hold on. Pair it with this green vest. I don't know. We're gonna see. And then the shoes. Okay, shoes. I might wear my black Uggs with a black hat. I don't know. We about to see how this look though. We about to see how this look though, cause I'm not sure. But yeah, so we'll be back.
Trust me, I don't like being alone. Thinking about ringing your line. I wish you would come home, but I'm just trying to balance my space. I'm just trying to protect my space. I don't really need the pain, but I let it feel the pain. Maybe I can use a break, so we just might have to wait on. 'Cause we're way too in love just to fucking let go. 'Cause we're way too involved just to cut it not cold. Way too in deep, deep, way too in deep. Way too in deep, deep, way too in deep. Wish I could call and go home. Oh, no, we can't even let it go. Living room floor. It's whatever you want. I wanna please you more. Whatever turns you on. Just let me know. You are so creative, the way that you're making love to me. You do me, yeah. No one's ever done it. That is what I wanted all the time. Oh yeah, I want your heart or your love. Just do what you do to my body. I just wanna know. It's whatever you want. I wanna please you more. Whatever turns you on. Just let me know. You are so creative, the way that you're making love to me. You do me, yeah. No one's ever done it. That is what I wanted all the time. Oh yeah, I want your heart or your love.
Okay, y'all. So right here, I'm taking my gummies, And then I'm gonna take this stuff off my face. At first it was tingling, but it wasn't that bad. And they said it's supposed to do that, so I wasn't really worried about it. But I used a little exfoliant, like remover wipes. And I used the soft side, but I used the exfoliant side when I was washing my face. And then it was just coming off real smooth and stuff like that. So I said, okay, I'm gonna do this again. So I'm probably gonna do it again like in a couple days. But they said don't do it more than twice a week. So I'm gonna do it like in a couple days. So I just wanted to give y'all like a little review on the Ordinary product. And it was fine for my first try. Okay, so I'm dressed. I had to change my outfit because I got oil on my vest. So I had to change the vest or whatever. But I'm about to head out. I'm gonna show y'all the fit. But yeah. So after I show y'all the fit, we're gonna leave and go to the car place. So I'm gonna see you at the car place. So change of plans. My window rolled up, so we don't have to go get it fixed. So I just need to go get an oil change now. And I just need to go get an oil change now. And then we're gonna start Christmas shopping. And then we're gonna I'll start, finish. And then we're gonna do, what all we need to do. But I'm happy we ain't gotta get the water fixed because it was just acting dumb. That's gonna be for a later situation we handle. But yeah, so I'm gonna see y'all when we get to the probably either the oil change or Christmas shopping. So yeah, we'll be back. We made it to Ross. So, excuse me. We're looking for the chair, the rolling chair, to see if they got it or not. So yeah, they changed this place around. Look. So Ross didn't have any rolling chairs, so we're going to go into Burlington now and see. And then I don't know what we're gonna do if they don't have them in here. So, oh, it's festive in here. Look at it. You got your gold. Got some roofs. Excuse me. It's so crowded in here. Like, I really look like a little boy. Okay. So we have, excuse me. No. So you want to go over there, or you want to go to Target, or no?
Oh,
We could drive down to Target.
Yeah, we go to Target. Just try to hit all the stores right here so we don't
Had to come back.
Yeah.
You know, overstock store. Next store. We at Target. Okay, chairs. You know where they at? I remember stools. Excuse me, do y'all have any rolling chairs like for a desk?
If we do, it'll be on that aisle right there on 18.
Oh, okay. Next door. Now we're going into Big Lot. I've been here before, I think, though. Right? I'm not sure. But you got to see. Look at all these couches. Hello. They didn't have nothing. Them chairs was ugly and cheap looking. No. No. We on to the next store. We're currently walking into this place called Burke's Outlet. I don't really know. Never been here. But it say home and stuff like that. So we about to see if they got like a rolling chair in here. Hi. So yeah. I want to see some chairs. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all this selection. Hold on. Let's see if they got anything over here. No. It's not cute. Yeah, I be so scared to talk in stores. It's like they be, I don't know, they be looking at me and I just be scared because I don't know. I be scared. But I didn't like nothing in there. That was giving old people, I don't know. But we in this store, a different store. Looking in.
Hey, how are you?
Hi. This is giving like a tiny like store with like little stuff. It's cute though. No luck, y'all. I'm really going to like 10 stores to find a freaking chair and I can't find a freaking chair. Like, it's really about the, bro. I'm just gonna come back when like I find the chair that I want because I'm not about to keep, no. So I'm gonna see y'all. Okay, so I never found the chair, but we're gonna probably end up ordering one. So now we're at the mall to look for stuff for people. crackers in my pocket. Is mine on here? Not looking like it.
See all of them.
They got YouTube. They don't got ours though. Here it is. When did they have clothes in here?
They did. Oh, this one, I don't know. That one I want
I'm seeing a lot of pajamas. They just put them up here like that? Yeah, they just put it up here like that? I think it's this. Is it that you smell like?
Yeah. Yeah. It is.
It's this. It smells good.
It does. Which one is that?
I don't even know. It's with some toilet. This do smell good.
They do. I do like that one. That's the crocodile.
She definitely knows it. But I guess she doesn't. Well, I'm sure she has.
Oh, this is zesty.
It is. I used to like to think it was Perry Ellis that I used to have.
If you smell it long enough, it kind of smell like Dial soap.
Okay.
She wants to. I think she wants to do the coach over there.
Okay. I'm sorry.
You're fine.
Get away if you can.
I think because I smelled that one that I like it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You wanna go over there? This smells good. Jimmy Choo. You have that one? I never tried Jimmy Choo.
She's very popular. She was trying to get my daughter some. I was gonna get her what I have, I guess.
What? Money off? Oh, that smells good. It's Jimmy Choo. Oh, this smells like this. Have you smelled this one?
I have, but let me try that one.
You have it?
No, I'm gonna let you spray it.
It kind of smells like some sweet or something.
How are you today?
That smells good.
I can smell that all the way over here.
Thank- Yeah, we could look. Let's see, one pair, two pair.
I'm so glad you called right on time. You must have just
Is this all the oil?
Let's go.
So here you got your pickle tartare, which is your pickle onion, pickle and jalapeno. Here your sweet radish.
So yeah, we ended up getting Chipotle. That place was it was good. So I'm about to eat and stuff. But basically I didn't. We made a lot of runs, but we damn near finished for real. So tomorrow I'm gonna do the vision board, and I gotta go to the grocery store. So we're gonna see what happened. I may vlog that. I think that's the end of this video. So I want y'all to like, comment, and subscribe, share. Okay. And yeah, keep watching my videos because we're gonna get better and better and better. And I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Period. And make sure y'all watch. Bye.
Nobody